The dream of homeownership often morphs into a financial trap. Let's break down how to avoid this pitfall. Banks lure you with the promise of a dream home, but look closer at the fine print, and that dream often becomes a nightmare of overpayment. The illusion of affordability masks years of financial servitude. Most of your mortgage payments go toward interest, not toward building actual equity in your property. There is always a better way. Financial literacy is your ultimate key to freedom. Explore alternatives and plan for the long term. Every impulsive purchase made on credit is a heavy burden that threatens your future. Learn to distinguish between fleeting desires and true needs. Don't trade your long-term freedom for the short-term comfort of a bigger house or lifestyle upgrades you can't truly afford.
Don't fall for the myth that a house is always a sound investment. The real cost of a mortgaged home includes the purchase price, interest, property taxes, insurance, and ongoing maintenance. Often, renting while investing your savings into income-generating assets provides far better returns. If a mortgage is unavoidable, treat it like a project, not a life sentence. Pay more than the minimum, chip away at the principal, and you can cut years off your term, saving tens of thousands in interest. Financial decisions are meaningless without a safety net. Build an emergency fund covering at least 6 months of expenses so that unexpected life events don't force you into high-interest, predatory debt. Your goal is stability, not just ownership. Always prioritize protecting yourself from unnecessary financial risks. Watch out for variable interest rates. If a bank can adjust your rate, your payment could skyrocket at the worst possible time. Always lock in your conditions to protect yourself from surprises. Understand your repayment structure. With amortized loans, you pay mostly interest upfront. Try to secure terms that allow for faster principal reduction. Check for prepayment penalties. A transparent lender won't punish you for paying off your debt early. Protect your cash from hidden fees. Read your insurance policy carefully. Banks often bundle policies that protect their interests, not yours. When disaster strikes, these policies might leave you stranded. Do not settle for the first offer. Compare lenders, negotiate rates, and make them compete for your business. You are the customer, you hold the power. Escaping debt isn't a myth, it's the result of smart decisions and discipline. Freedom from debt is worth every bit of patience and caution. Instead of enriching a bank, put your money to work for you. Investing in high-yield assets or building your own business creates true financial independence, allowing you to own a home without the heavy shackles of a long-term mortgage. Your well-being starts with total control over your cash flow. Optimize your spending, automate your savings, and avoid impulse buys that drift you away from your goals. Always factor in inflation. It erodes your long-term income, but can also effectively reduce the real value of fixed debt. Always forecast these risks before signing a contract. Diversify your income streams. Your stability depends on not relying on a single paycheck alone. Remember, your greatest assets are your knowledge, discipline, and the ability to make sound decisions. Financial management is a skill you can master at any age. Good luck on your path to true independence. Market volatility can ruin even the best laid plans. Floating rates and currency risks turn the dream of a roof over your head into a nightmare where you could lose everything overnight. As property taxes and maintenance costs climb, your home shouldn't be a source of constant fear. When dreams turn to ash, the emotional strain is immense. Financial stress destroys families. Don't become a statistic. Check every comma, read the fine print, and seek professional legal or financial advice. A real expert will spot the traps that banks hope you never find. Protect your future by being informed today.